today we are gonna make these little easy bird food, like toddler style here. They're easy to make and your birds will love them. So let's get started. This is a pretty easy one. All you need is different bird seeds of your preference. You need plastic cups, string, and then melted almond or just like grease. So let's get to it. What we do here is just basically take the seeds that you think you want and just put them in. This is the part that your children can definitely be part of. And just mix and match. So let's get to the fun. While the girls are putting all the seeds in the little cups here, I just kind of made 2 cups. All I did with the string was just tie a loop, like go out here to make a loop, and just pretty much just poked it in. And then we need to pour this in. This is like really hot, so make sure that your kiddos don't touch this. There we go. And while you do this, you want to make sure to place these in a very cold place, either in the fridge or like outside. Right now we have like very cold outside, so just make sure that you place them in a place where they will cool down. Now they're all done, and we need to take the bird food out of the cup. They're ready to hang. Haley? Haley? Maybe here. Good job. How about we hang it up here where it's a little thicker? There we go. Hi, thank you for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed making these. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like our video. Zoe, like our video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next week. Bye.